आज लोग मुझको आकर बोल रहे कि तुमने छोड़ा सुशांत को या तुमने जो भी किया. How do you know that? Nobody knows about my thing, you know. Sushant, I'm not blaming here anyone. I think he made his choice very clear. He wanted to go on with his career. He chose his career and he moved on. But for 2.5 years, I was dealing with so many things. ऐसे था कि मैं बेड पे सोती रहती थी. I never used to talk to anyone. ना मैं मम्मी से ना पापा से. मैं सिर्फ अपनी चीज़ों में इतनी इन्वॉल्व थी. मैं माइंड में आपकी इतनी चीज़ें चलती एंड आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें आती हैं उस टाइम कि अब मैं क्या करूँ. You know, maybe I wanted to finish myself. There are people वो आते थे, अरे फोटोज हटाओ यार, क्यों लगा रखे तूने, पागल है क्या सुशांत की फोटो लगा रखे. And I'll give me time यार. I need my time. I can't just, I'm not somebody कि मैं 2.5 साल तक उनके साथ रही हूँ नंदी. I gave up on Happy New Year. I remember, you know, Farah ma'am, she offered me this film and I met Shahrukh sir also and he was like, I will try to give you the best ever. These were like his, and I was like, okay, but back of the mind, trust me, you know, I was in Macau, me, Sushant and Shahrukh was, and I was like, भगवान मेरा ना हो यार. I do not wanted to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. And the moment he said, मैंने उसकी बैंड बजा दी थी. मतलब I think your producer wants a girl to sleep with. एक आंटी ने मुझे लिखा था prostitute. ठीक है? I just wanted to check her this thing. क्या ID? मैंने उनका अकाउंट खोला. She was a lady of my mother's age. She had a son. She had a husband. I was just thinking of their mentality.
Tragedy, grief, sorrow are not just big words, but heavier emotions. Today I have somebody who has gone through hell not once, but twice in life. But there's one thing she's done. Never bowed down to the challenges that life gave her. Welcoming Ankita Lokhande, sharing her story on Bollywood Bubbles, her story.
Hello.
Today. I'm so happy and proud of the person that you are. I must say this. I wouldn't even need this because when I planned this chat show, and you know this even before it was being planned.
Yes.
And I wanted to have you for this. From the introduction, I want to say that Ankita, where do you get this strength to deal with the kind of things that life has given you? उतार चढ़ाव बहुत है ना लाइफ में. कैसे संभालती कैसे हो अपने आप को?
I think first of all I want to say I'm really grateful that I'm here today with you, with my friend, and this is my first ever interview that we are doing
Video
together.
interview, yes.
And yes, strength. If I talk about, I think I don't know, somehow I don't understand this thing कहाँ से आता है strength, but I think my family, my brought up is such way, you know, कि मैंने अपने family में बचपन से you see so many उतार चढ़ाव आप देखते रहते हो. So I think from my family, from my mother, from my father, from my nani and from so many women, you know, I brought up like that. तो उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई हैं and that's why I am who I am today.
You have battled a lot of social perceptions.
Yeah.
There have been people who have had judgments about you.
Yeah.
Even then and now, like you said, your relatives had something to comment about you. How do you look back at those days, and how do you look back
I think people judge me till today. Like, that's their choice, that's their opinion. I think everybody here, you know, they just try and judge others, but they don't look at themselves. It's very important to see us also. अगर मैं किसी को जज कर रही हूँ तो मुझे अपने आप को देखना जरूरी है कि मैं खुद कैसी हूँ. तो I have no problem with them. मुझे लगता है आपको जज करना है, that's your life, do it. I am very happy in my life. I am absolutely having a good life. मैं किसी से, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कुछ गलत किया नहीं है. When you are scared, when आपको लगता है कि मैंने कुछ गलत किसी के साथ किया. I've been very honest to my life. I've been very honest to every part of my life, to my relationships, to my mom and dad, to my career. I gave my best to each and everything, so I'm not really scared of anything. It's your wish. You judge me. That's your lookout. And I can't stop people, frankly. I'm no one to stop
You
them.
can't.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर तुम जज भी कर रहे हो तो I think there is something to talk about me. Keep talking.
But do you feel that sometimes your honesty has gone against you?
Yes, absolutely. I think you know, मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं, लोग होते हैं यार. मैं हूँ इतनी ऑनेस्ट कि मैं जो फील करती हूँ, यू नो मी नैंदी. व्हाट आई फील आई टॉक अबाउट इट. आई एम नॉट समबडी, इवन अबाउट माई रिलेशनशिप्स. अगर मेरा रिलेशन है किसी, आई एम नॉट समबडी कि मैं छुपा कर उसको चलूंगी. नो वी आर जस्ट फ्रेंड्स. नो आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट. येस, आई एम डेटिंग समबडी, एंड इफ आई एम इन अ रिलेशनशिप, आई एम इन अ रिलेशन. बट people are there out who don't understand my honesty और वो मेरे ऊपर ही backfire हो जाता है कभी कभी. So that's okay, that's absolutely fine, but I'm not here to clarify myself or to prove anybody. Till the time my parents know me so well, till the time my partner knows me, I am really not bothered. मुझे उनको explain करना पड़ेगा, otherwise I'm not here to explain anyone. अभी जैसे लोग आते हैं Twitter पे, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, Instagram पे, you must have seen my live interview. I was like, why me? Okay, because at that time I was really frustrated. Otherwise, you have seen, I don't come out and talk about anything. It's your wish to bash me, it's your wish to troll me. But that moment was something, because when it comes to your parents, मतलब मेरी मम्मी पापा को इतना कुछ बोला जाता है कि ऐसी है आपकी लड़की, ऐसा ही बड़ा किया है क्या, तुम कौन हो यार बोलने वाले? Do you even know my side of story? And I'm not here to say कि मेरी स्टोरी क्या थी, मुझे किसी को नहीं बताना है. But यार जो लड़की सबसे ज्यादा उस सिचुएशन में सबके साथ खड़ी रही, उसी को अगर तुम कुछ भी बोलोगे उल्टा सीधा, तो sometimes it hurts because
there is a pinch.
Yes, there is.
No matter how strong you are, there is.
Of course there is. Of course there is. और किसी को भी लगेगा नहीं. If you are supporting me so well, and मैं अगर थोड़ा सा भी कुछ अगेंस्ट जाकर बोलूँ, you will not like that. Sometimes you feel कि यार, और मुझे किसी का अप्रिसिएशन नहीं चाहिए जो मैं करती हूँ. फ्रैंकली आई एम नॉट हियर फॉर अप्रिसिएशन. आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट, क्योंकि मैंने जो किया मैंने दिल से किया, जिसके लिए किया मैंने दिल से किया, बट नॉट फॉर अप्रिसिएशन, बट एटलीस्ट रिस्पेक्ट दैट, respect my mama papa. That's the only concern I had.
It's good that we are talking today. We would have done it in 2 weeks ago, and then we wouldn't have been able to touch upon this. But now everybody knows. Everybody has seen that live where you went live and you spoke about that side of yours, which I have been a witness to. So I have been a first-person witness to.
Yeah.
I have seen you go through hell.
Yeah.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
I have seen you go through hell last year. And even now, with the kind of trolling, I want to talk about 2016.
Yeah.
Do you feel that sometimes when you stayed silent with what you were going through, it has backfired on you?
Of course it has, badly. लोगों क्या होता है कभी-कभी, आप जब, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि चुप रहना ज़्यादा सही होता है हर सिचुएशन में. It's okay to be silent, कि ना कुछ आपकी तरफ से गलत जा रहा है ना बाहर जा रहा है. और मैं लोगों के लिए नहीं, मैं अपने रिश्ते के लिए कर रही थी उस टाइम पे, कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं कुछ भी बाहर आकर, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट समबडी कि मैं अपनी पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप को बाहर लाकर उसका तमाशा बनाऊं. आई एम नॉट समवन, यू नो मी नैदी. सो येस, पीपल मे बी दैट टाइम आज मिसअंडरस्टूड कर रहे हैं. आज लोग मुझको आकर बोल रहे हैं कि तुमने छोड़ा सुशांत को या तुमने जो भी किया. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? Nobody knows about my thing, Sushant, I am not blaming here anyone. I think he made his choice very clear. He wanted to go on with his career. He chose his career and he moved on. But for 2.5 years, I was dealing with so many things. I was not in that state of mind where, I could just work, और क्योंकि मैं नहीं हूँ वैसी लड़की कि मैं easily move on करके काम में लग जाऊँ. मैं नहीं थी वैसी नंदी. So for me it was very difficult. But my family stood by me. The way my family supported me, my life was finished. I was just finished. I did not know what to do after that. But I'm not blaming anyone. He chose his ways. But मेरे तरीके अलग थे. मुझे प्यार, emotions, love and all that, I was craving for that thing. And I gave him full right कि चल ये तेरी जिंदगी, you can go on. But then I was battling with something very badly, and my family stood by me, and I came out very strongly in that. जहाँ मुझे लगा अब सब कुछ खत्म है, but yes, that was a new beginning for me. And I began with the good things.
I want to ask you that I remember, I want to tell this to the audience also, because I've never had this conversation one-to-one in front of a camera. I remember we were doing an interview, and that time you hadn't signed Manikarnika. We were doing this interview, and that time you had just gone through the breakup, and I think it was 2017.
Yeah.
Around 2017. And whenever my friends or people around me have an opinion about you, I just tell them this, and I want to tell the audience also that this is मैंने अपने आँखों से देखा है. I have taken your interview, and you knew me. We have met several times at your place.
Yeah.
I have gone to meet you, Sushant, everybody. I have just seen you lost, and that was the first time I felt that there is so much that is going on in your head, or maybe people, you can't battle it with people, and maybe you have that fear that people will not really understand what you're going through. मतलब मुझे आज भी वो लगता है.
Yes, I was lost completely. I was completely lost. अभी भी मैं सोचती हूँ, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. And I say thank you God, मैं उस चीज़ से निकल गई. I literally tell God कि I'm so grateful that I'm out of it. And yeah, I was lost बहुत ज़्यादा. मुझे नहीं पता था मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ आगे यार, क्योंकि ज़िंदगी जब आपका यू टर्न ले लेती है ना, सडनली सब कुछ सही होता है और सडनली सब खत्म हो जाता है, तो वो पता नहीं होता कि क्या होने वाला है आगे. तो yes, I was lost, but then God has been so kind. उन्होंने मुझे वापस उठाया और बोला walk, and I started walking, and I'm here today.
You know, it's very difficult, especially for a public figure, to come out and address the issue of depression.
Yeah.
You have done that bravely, and you have done that. We have spoken about it pehle also, but you've done that publicly a few days
Yes.
ago. Was it a difficult moment? Did you feel that maybe this will also lead to a lot more judgment?
No, I don't think that way. Nandi, when I feel something, I talk about it. मुझे आगे का पीछे का मुझे नहीं पता होता कि इसका क्या. I don't calculate things.
No, not calculate, but क्या होता है जो भी आज तक जितने भी actors
मुझे
ने
पता
बोला
था कि अगर मैं not just about depression, I think if I'll talk about anything, people will judge me any which way. You know, this is how it is right now. मतलब आप कुछ भी डालोगे पोस्ट में, डांस भी करती हूँ तो लोगों को लगता है मैं क्यों डांस कर रही हूँ. You know, तो अब वो ऐसी चीज हो गई. But yes, when I spoke about this, because people never knew about my side, they did not know कि मैं भी इस चीज से गुजरी हूँ. You know, but मैं किसी को दुखड़ा रोने के लिए या मेरे साथ ये हुआ वो हुआ, I'm not here for that. I fought with that and I came out, and I strongly came out. I would just say because of one thing, because of my family.
Yeah.
They stood by me like a strong pillar, and trust me, till today. My mom, dad, you know, they are such a big strength for me. I mean, I wish कि जिनको भी depression होता है या जो जिस भी चीज़ से वो battle करते हैं, you know, family is the first thing they should have. Because
when did you realize that you were battling that inside?
I think it was not a depression, but it was like it was a feeling of sadness, you know,
Yeah.
all that, because
Grief.
of course मेरे life में जो हो रहा था मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, and yeah, it was bad. Then I started understanding कि maybe, you know, this is something which is not good for me, because I was, मतलब मैं ऐसे था कि मैं बेड पे सोती रहती थी. I never used to talk to anyone, ना मेरी मम्मी से ना पापा से. मैं सिर्फ अपनी चीज़ों में इतनी इन्वॉल्व थी. मैं माइंड में आपकी इतनी चीज़ें चलती, एंड आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें आती हैं उस टाइम कि अब मैं क्या करूँ. You know, maybe I wanted to finish myself. हो सकता है वो thought process तब आपका ऐसा होता है, you know, but then I came out of it very strongly. My family, my friends, they really helped me to come out of it, and I am here today.
But at that point around you, did you feel that there were also people who didn't realize what you were going through, or didn't want to understand, overlooked it?
Didn't want to understand, maybe, you know, they just wanted to come and say. Everybody now says, you know, मैं उस time तेरा part थी, you know, या था जो भी है. No, they used to just come, party and go. No friends, I mean, very exclusive friends. अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँगी तो वो लोग थे, but not everybody is your friend at that moment. Not everyone is coming to just be there for you. No, there are people वो आते थे, अरे फोटोज हटाओ यार, क्यों लगा रखे तूने, पागल है क्या सुशांत की फोटो लगा रखे. And give me time यार, I need my time. I can't just, I'm not somebody कि मैं 2.5 साल तक उनके साथ रही हूँ, नंदी. I have lived my life with those pictures. People maybe they used to come and they say तू पागल है क्या यार, because I'm not somebody who will run away from the situation. I was getting up and facing that thing every day so that I come out. जब भी मैं, अगर सुशांत कभी मेरे सामने आए तो I face him strongly. That was my thought process.
I didn't want to mention it, but in that interview, I think you were crying looking at those pictures.
Yeah, maybe I don't remember that, but yes. Because I'm not somebody who run away from the situation. I faced it every single day. और एक दिन आया where I realized now I'm done. Now I need to remove the pictures, and I removed
need to focus
it.
on yourself.
Yes, focus, and I felt कि एक जगह खाली होगी तभी तो दूसरी pictures आएंगी. And I felt it, and I met Vicky. You know, he's in my life, and I'm very, very, very happy with him.
He brought that. I think he brought that calm.
Yes, very balanced, because he's very balanced, you know. और मुझे अपने हमेशा कोशिश करता है कि मैं भी balanced रहूँ. Though I really try hard, but I'm not somebody like.
But you know, Ankita, do you feel that in that moment where you were planning to start a family?
Yeah.
We can say that today.
Yeah.
Do you feel that you lost out on a lot of? You actually not lost out, you gave up.
I gave up. I gave up on many things. I gave up on Happy New Year. I remember, you know, Farah ma'am, she offered me this film, and I met Shahrukh sir also, and he was like, I will try to give you the best ever. These were like his, and I was like, okay, but back of the mind, trust me, you know, I was in Macau, me, Sushant, and Shahrukh was, and I was like, Bhagwan mera na ho yaar. Literally, because लड़की कैसी होती है ना, शी ऑलवेज ट्राइज कि नहीं यार मेरे पार्टनर का अच्छा हो, you know, that's what you think. I mean that वो
And you were very homely. You were taking care of
yeah, and I have no problem with that. Till today, I have no regrets. I have no regrets. I was just trying to build a man, and I did that. You know, I quietly, you know, I was just trying to be a very strong support for Sushant, and I did it. But then I realized, no, yeah, मैं भी तो कुछ हूँ. You know, after my breakup, I understood my value. So it's very important to understand your worth. It's very important कि आप सच में क्या हो. आपको शायद मुझे आज तक मेरी worth नहीं पता. Then I realized कि no, I should work on myself. It's so important. मैंने 7 साल पवित्र किया, उसके बाद भी मुझे, you know, लोगों को लगता था मैं काम छोड़ना चाहती हूँ या मैं कुछ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, और फिर that was a moment, you know, where I realized, no, now I need to work.
But I think that was a perception.
Yeah, that was a perception.
Because of you leaving, not doing Ram Leela,
Yeah.
not doing Bajirao Mastani, not doing Sultan.
Yeah, Sanjay sir तो
मतलब
literally, मतलब I remember Sanjay sir called me and said कि कर ले ये, you know, no, not Bajirao,
Yeah.
कर ले वरना बहुत याद रख पछताएगी तू मुझे, you know, he was literally praising me, and Sanjay sir saying that is a very big thing.
Yeah.
You know, and then I was like कि नहीं sir, मुझे शादी करनी है. I still remember that, and he did not had anything to say, and I quitted on it.
In retrospect, do you think you could have done things differently, at least when it comes to your
Yes,
balancing your career and your work?
I did not know how to balance it that time. I really did not know. मैं अब ये चीज़ realize करती हूँ कि it's very important to balance your things very nicely. Career is career, love life is love life. मतलब family is family. You know, you have to have that balance in you. And now I do that. पहले नहीं होता था मुझसे. पहले मैं बहुत अच्छा ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है ना तो फिर इसमें तो मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं है. I was like that because so much of anxiety, because this thing was very important for me. So I used to leave everything जो इस career phase में है. तो वो चीज भूलकर मैं सिर्फ जब तक ये ठीक नहीं होगा तब तक मैं इधर ध्यान ही नहीं दे सकती थी. यहाँ कुछ भी खराब हो चलेगा. This should not get affected by this anything. So now I have understood how to keep a balance, and it's very, I am telling every girl or every boy, you know, love is something which is important, but to have that balance is very important. To have your self-respect is very important. To know your worth is very important. To work is very important. You know, आप अपनी आप को खो मत किसी भी चीज के लिए, क्योंकि आपकी इज्जत भी तभी होती है जब आप कुछ होते हो.
True.
I have understood this. मेरी इज्जत तभी होने लग गई. मैं अपनी नजरों में अगर मैं, if I can't love myself, then how will I expect others to love me? You can't.
True.
I stopped loving myself. I started giving up on my own beautiful things. I could have been there. You know, I could have been.
With the lineup that we have actually.
Yeah, I really could have been. But I felt no, this is more important. I have no regrets. But yes, if I talk about my career, I could have been there. But that's okay. I am trying my best to reach there. I will.
Talking about that, you know, when you're talking about coming back, and
Yeah.
how many times when you were auditioning or when you were talking about films, talking for films, were you told that, you know, we can't take you because you're a TV actor? It has happened to every.
It never happened with me.
Achha, it's never.
Never happened with me.
Wow.
I'm exclusive. It never happened with me. कि you're a TV actor. ऐसा मुझे, I don't remember this, because I think, you know, I think I've been very fortunate about this, that, you know, I've been approached by very good people like Shah Rukh. You know, I was very happy to hear. Then Sultan, you know, and then Varun Dhawan called me for the first time, and for Badlapur. He called me and he said, please, I want to play. And I was like, no, I'm doing Pavitra Rishta. I really don't want to do that. Trust me. And I was so happy with Pavitra Rishta. And I did it, you know. और मुझे सच बोल रही हूँ, मुझे कभी रिग्रेट नहीं हुआ. मैं इतनी खुश थी. पवित्र अगर 15 साल भी चलता ना अगला तो मैं कर लेती. Yes, this is not my field because I have no godfather here or no, I don't know people. जब तक सुशांत था तब तक मेरे लिए फिर भी एक ठीक था कि अच्छा सुशांत was, but यहाँ मैं अकेली चली हूँ. This is like my journey. This is my, मैंने अपनी अकेले, जब उस रोड पे चलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है जब आपके पास कोई इधर उधर नहीं होता. And I walked it and I with lot of confidence. और मुझे जो सपोर्ट मिला मैंने उसको खुशी से अपनाया, जो नहीं मिला उसे भी मैंने अपनाया. And I'm still walking on that path. So I have no regret. I'm not scared of anything now. I know मेरे साथ ऊपर वाला है, and I believe in God so much that He is holding me and He is taking me somewhere.
Despite not, despite being talented, a lot of times actors don't get their due because of not having somebody to piggyback on, or somebody supporting. It doesn't always have to be from a film family, but somebody like a network. you have never had a network. Also, have you ever been replaced from a film without being told for, you know, some other actor for some ridiculous reason? And also, I'm sorry, but today men and women both go through it. Casting couch is a reality.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you have to give up on your self-esteem and maybe give in to some favors at times.
See, I feel I'm a very strong personality when I come across. Like,
Yeah.
you know, I don't let anybody look at me also like that. Because I'm like, don't you dare to do that. I am like that. My personality is like that. So yes, I faced it once, you know, and I think I faced it twice, okay. बहुत पहले जब मैं छोटी थी तो मुझे साउथ फिल्म के लिए बुलाया गया था, and he called me in his room and he said कि अंकिता, we want to ask you something. मैंने बोला yes. बोले आपको compromise करना पड़ेगा. And I was so smart because I was all alone in that room and I was just 19 or 20.
Yeah.
And then he asked me and I was like, okay, which type of compromise does your producer want? Like, do I have to go for parties? Do I have to go for dinner? Because I was not, I do not wanted to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. And the moment he said, मैंने उसकी बैंड बजा दी थी. मतलब I think your producer wants a girl to sleep with, not a very talented girl to work with. And I left from there. And he was like, I'm really sorry, Ankita, but I'll try to take you in my film. I said, if you try and if you take me also, I'm not interested in your film. You know, I was I think from my childhood I was like that, you know. So मुझे किसी चीज़ क्योंकि ये और मुझे तब से ना नैनदीप जब मैंने वो चीज़ सुनी अपने लिए कि somebody is asking me to sleep with him was something, it broke me. And मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कैसी इंडस्ट्री में हूँ जहाँ लोग मुझसे इतने इजीली बोल सकते हैं कि आपको सोना पड़ेगा. You understood? Yeah. I don't know whether you will understand. As a girl, I felt so in this. I'm so sorry, but I felt like मैं इसकी बैंड बजा दूँ, you know. और फिर हाँ, उसके बाद मैं वापस जब फिल्म में आई,
By then you are already done.
Yeah. Okay. Like, yeah. So I don't take anybody's name, but yes, I felt it. Like, with just holding hands, I felt it. And he was somebody, you know, like everybody knows, and I felt
some big actor.
Yeah, some big actor. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा मैंने अपना हाथ छोड़ा क्योंकि I got those vibes and I knew it. अब मेरा यहाँ नहीं होगा क्योंकि it's very important that जो भी सामने बैठा है वो भी it's a, you know, give and take thing. And I understood and I left from there. I was like, no, this is not for me. But I'm sure there is something for me. Maybe not this way.
मुंह पे बोल दिया कि नहीं होगा.
Yes.
What when you
No. Nobody said like that कि नहीं होगा. But I felt it. He was very clear कि अरे इसको कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा, बाहर जाएगी तो इसका होगा नहीं होगा. I was like, हाँ नहीं पड़ेगा. And I left.
But you know, when you talk about strength, again coming back to that, and like I said, tragedy, sorrow, grief are मतलब बोलने में बहुत easy होता है, deal करने में बहुत difficult होता है. And I am sorry, but this is not an act. I have felt major grief last year. I have also dealt with a personal loss of sorts, and I know the kind of loss that you have dealt with. It has changed a lot of perspective that I have towards my work, towards my life, towards people. I want to know, how do I put it? जब वो हो रहा था, I remember I had given you a call within like 4 days, and in the beginning you will not believe, but I was really scared for you too. Because I was going through the comments जिस दिन वो हुआ when Sushant passed away. I was, and my friends are here, they'll tell you. When I was reading those comments, it broke my heart because I know what जिनको टारगेट किया जा रहा था उन लोगों ने कितना उसके साथ खड़े रहते. How did you deal with that kind of negativity which you never called for?
Yeah, see, for I think 10 to 12 days, I did not know what is happening because Sushant का जाना, I don't know how to explain, but yeah, I mean, it was bad. Very, what to say, I don't know. But people started judging me on not putting his picture on the same day. He has, what do you think? What do you expect from us? मतलब कोई अपना चला जाता तो हम क्या फोटो डालते हैं? And till today, you will not believe, Nandi, I have not ever posted any picture of Sushant with RIP. I have no guts to put something like that for him because I can't say rest in peace Sushant, rest in peace Sushant. People have questioned me why you did not put a picture of are you out of, I don't know these Twitter people or Instagram people. ये एक अलग ही दुनिया है ना. जब जिसके घर में कुछ चीज़ ऐसी होती है, ये कुछ I don't even want people to feel that जो हुआ है सबके साथ. And it's okay, that's their thing, but I think this thing will always be with me. सुशांत का जाना, और अब मैं I have come to that term where I'm normal right now, but we all have gone through so much. We all have. I think it's family. I think me, my parents, you have gone through. I think the whole world was crying for him till today. You know, yesterday there was this lady who came to me, and she was just crying. And मैं सुशांत को literally sometimes you just feel and you just talk to him. I was telling him, तुम्हारे लिए देखो लोग कितना तुमसे कितना प्यार करते थे. You know, आज वो लेडी रो रही थी कि क्यों कर ऐसा हो गया भैया के साथ. किसका क्या रिश्ता है? तो अगर जिनका नहीं है रिश्ता उनको इतनी तकलीफ है, तो तुम कैसे मुझे जज कर सकते हो, या तुम कैसे किसी और को जज कर सकते हो जो उसके इतने क्लोज रहे. और अगर इतना क्या बोलो भी मैं, you know, people, I have no problem judging me, but you know क्या होता है ना, जब ये चीज़ें चालू हुई, सुशांत का जब हुआ, मैं तो कहीं थी नहीं. You know, मुझे सडनली लोगों ने एक कर दिया सुशांत के साथ. मैं सुशांत के लिए परफेक्ट हो गई. तो तब कहाँ थे जब मेरा ब्रेकअप हो रहा था? अब मैं विक्की गंदा बन गया सडनली, हमारा कपल वर्स्ट बन गया. ठीक है, सुशांत और मैं ही मेड फॉर ईच अदर है. तो कहाँ थे सब लोग जब मेरा और सुशांत का ब्रेकअप हो रहा था? तब क्यों नहीं किसी ने उसको समझाई ये चीज़ें, या ऐसे जैसे आज उठ उठ कर लोग मुझे बोलते हैं, तब क्यों नहीं समझाया उसको? Am I wrong?
No. That's what I was coming to, you know.
क्योंकि जब आज इसलिए तकलीफ होती है क्योंकि वो नहीं है. And I have nothing to say against him, but you know he chose his own ways to go ahead. And then मैं क्या वेट करती रहती, या मैं क्या रुकी रहती किसी का इंतजार? मैंने किया, फिर भी मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया, but then what is there?
एक टाइम ऐसा था कि अंकिता, अगर it was such a double-edged sword, कि कोई कुछ बोले तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, कोई कुछ ना बोले तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. When you were not speaking up in the first few weeks, I feel that you've gotten targeted for not speaking up and not standing up for him, and I have also been targeted. I'm not saying, but you've been targeted mercilessly. When you spoke up, you've been called names like Vidva and all that. I remember all those comments. And then when you have decided to put yourself back together and maybe construct yourself a little with positivity and peace, inner peace, then you are questioned again कि अरे क्या डांस, हमेशा डांस करती रहती है. I have read those comments. And I'm saying it because this is the tone in which it is written.
इतना गंदा लिखते हैं ना. I will tell you, एक आंटी ने मुझे लिखा था prostitute. ठीक है, I just wanted to check her this thing. क्या ID, मैंने उनका अकाउंट खोला. She was a lady of my mother's age. She had a son, she had a husband. I was just thinking of their mentality. मेरी मम्मी किसी के अकाउंट पे जाके prostitute नहीं लिख सकती.
True.
और लोगों ने prostitute कितना गंदा गंदा मेरे लिए बोला है. तो मैं यहाँ पर किसी को, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट तकलीफ क्या होती है, आप कैसे जानते ही हो ना मेरी स्टोरी. और मैं नैनदीप, इफ आई एम ऑन दिस थिंग, अगर मैं आपसे इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ तो मैं आपके साथ इसलिए नहीं हूँ कि मैं क्लैरिफिकेशन दूँ. आई एम हियर टू टेल पीपल दैट आई एम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग.
But the point is that there might be people who are not as strong as you. Even I felt that, I'm sorry, I used to feel that I'm very strong and nothing used to get to me because comments interviews में भी आते हैं ना कि कैसे बात करता है, कैसे चलता है, ये वो बहुत सारे comments थे. It never bothered me. But when I started doing these interviews, I remember for the publication I worked with पहले, I have gotten bajao. Like I didn't do anything. I don't know what was going wrong that they were bringing in my family. They were telling my family to commit suicide. I don't know what was happening, and I could sense that if I can't take it all in, you also wouldn't be able to, and what you were going through. But at the same time, my mother was telling me that, you know, whatever is between me and him has gone with him.
Yeah.
So me clarifying will not help. Did you also feel?
My mom was somebody, you know, she was मुझे बताना है लोगों को सच के, मुझे बता, because यार as a mother, you know, she knew everything, because she has faced everything with me. More than me, I think she has faced it. क्योंकि अपने बच्चे को जब ऐसी तकलीफ होती है ना, तो किसी माँ बाप को अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो she was like, मुझे बताना है. और मम्मा को मैंने ये बोला, मम्मा कितने को हम क्यों एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, और कितने लोगों को हम एक्सप्लेन करते रहेंगे. So there is no point of explaining to people. And you know, but that day, you know, when I went live, it was like the end of everything, and that's why I went live and I spoke about everything. And I was like, अब हो गया. This is the first and last time I'm going to tell people कि stop it, otherwise I'm going to block. And trust me, I'm blocking people because I don't want that negativity on my Instagram. I really don't want that. जिसको नहीं, unfollow me. I have no problem. एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट जिन्होंने मुझे बनाया स्टार, वो मेरे साथ है. मैं वैल्यू करती हूँ अपने ट्रू फैंस की या ट्रू वेल विशर्स की.
I think even true Sushant fans will not do this.
Exactly.
Because they should know that Sushant wouldn't have liked this.
Why will he? उसको वो
This
क्यों?
is not what he's
Exactly.
subscribed to ever.
मतलब he was the first one जिसको ये सारी चीजें पसंद नहीं थी. वो बैश करता था ट्विटर पे या इस पे जा जाके लोगों को. I know that I've seen सुशांत की कैसे तूने ये बोला. You know, वो कैसे उसको कैसे अच्छा लगेगा कि मेरे लिए कोई ऐसा बोल रहा है, जब उसने कभी खुद मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं बोला, या हमारे बीच में कभी वैसा रिलेशन नहीं रहा कि हम कभी एक दूसरे को बुरा बोले. ये लोग कौन होते हैं मुझे बुरा बोलने वाले? एंड हु आर दीज पीपल टू जज मी? ऑन व्हाट लेवल? मैंने क्या किया है? और लगता है यार कभी कभी कि तुम हो कौन मुझे बोलने वाले. आज मैं उसकी फैमिली के साथ एक आई हैव दैट बॉन्ड विद एवरीवन. आई नो व्हाट आई एम. ही हैज टू गॉन नाउ, राइट? बट आई एम देयर टू, यू नो, I feel like now I have to take care of them also because he's not there and I'm actually, मेरा कुछ है नहीं but सब कुछ है. You know, it's like that. I have to be for Shweta Di. I am there to take. I like it.
Yeah.
Not see relationship because of Sushant, but मैंने इन 4 साल 5 साल में भी उनसे वो रिश्ता बनाए रखा. अभी suddenly उठकर मैं कोई रिश्ता नहीं बना रही हूँ किसी से. I maintain that thing because that's how I am. I like to keep relationships strong. I like that way. I'm not somebody ki I'll let go people easily. I'm not somebody.
But I'm very happy and proud of the person you are, and also that it needs a lot of strength to come out and speak for yourself and stand by your.
I wanted to. I mean, अभी तो बोलना ही था तो अभी से.
नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं होता, बात वो हो जाती. But I just know that wherever Sushant is, he'll be super proud of this conversation. This is dedicated to him because yeah, I don't think if he would have been here, he would have liked what his people.
Yes.
I don't even consider myself one of those because बाकी लोगों के साथ जो उसका 1% भी मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, but I know that he wouldn't have liked this energy being spread in his name.
Yes.
Especially. But on that note, we'll move on to our next segment, which is
My
going to be a
favorite.
lot more fun and not as emotional.
Yeah.
But yeah, I hope you fare really well. I have to give you a hamper.
Yeah, please do that. Now tell me, what are you asking?
So we are back with Ankita Lokhande for our second segment, which is called I Am She.
Yes.
It's a game segment.
Okay.
7 questions hai about
Okay.
influential women.
Okay.
From all around. Like you will know them. It's very easy.
Okay.
You have to get 5 of them correct. And
I'm very
I'll
bad at
give you a
it.
gift.
I wish कि मैं ये hamper अपने साथ घर लेके
You
जाऊँ.
will get it. Don't worry. First question. Name any 3 female-centric films that released between 2019 to 2020. But last 2 years.
Okay. Manikarnika.
I knew.
Okay. Padmavat and Chapak. No, Chapak, right? Thappad. Okay.
एक से 2 आ गया. I helped you.
Okay, yeah.
Name 3 actresses who successfully ventured from TV to films.
Okay. Moni Roy, Ankita Lokhande, and Mrunal Thakur.
Which TV star is also a popular BJP minister today?
Tulsi Virani. Smriti Irani, yes.
Okay, connect the links. There are 3 clues. You have to connect the links to a film. This is
Okay.
a women-centric film. Paris, Honeymoon, Big Ben.
Queen?
Yeah, it is Queen. 4 में से 4 आ गए देखो. Which popular heroine of today was also a child artist in Sangharsh?
Alia Bhatt.
Okay. Which actress said this dialogue? Okay. मुंबई डेली की एसोसिएट एडिटर हो तो फिल्म स्टार्स की दोस्ती तुमसे नहीं तुम्हारे पोजीशन से है.
फिल्म से हीरोइन हूँ, मैं हीरोइन हूँ, करीना कपूर.
Yes, it is Kareena. You got the hamper, but I'll still ask you the last question. Which actress's Insta handle says, मतलब the description is, there's a first time for everything.
I have no idea.
Global superstar.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
चलो 7 में से 7 करेक्ट.
Yes!
ये hamper तो बनता ही.
Wow.
Although I helped her a lot, but
Thank you so much. This is so beautiful.
And I hope you liked this interview because this was a really powerful chat, and I
Yes.
wanted to have this for months now. And I'm glad that we could do this.
Yes.
More power to you.
Thank you so
You
much.
already have a lot of strength, so I don't have to give you any more strength. But yes, just be the person you are, and you know this will be game changing. I believe.
I'm very, very, very grateful that you called me here. And I think मैंने अपने दिल से जो मैं बोल सकती थी मैंने बोला है और अपनी चीज़ों को कन्वे किया है. So I'm very thankful that you invited me here, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ankita Lokhande and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble. Please like, share and subscribe.